Alright, we are coming to you straight from inside the residence of actor Allu Arjun, and there he's having a candid moment with several celebrities who've come in to show in their solidarity right now. There you can see, this is the very residence of Allu Arjun, and there you can see him having chai with producers. In fact, Dil Raju is over here, and you can also see Vijay Deverakonda, who's arrived here with his brother. He arrived a short while ago to extend his support and love to his dear friend Bunny. You also have Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, there as well, greeting celebrities, and very importantly, the man of the moment there, iconic star Allu Arjun, wearing that trademark shirt as well, sitting there on the couch, all smiles there. But it has been a frenetic set of events in the last 24 hours, being dragged from this very house by the police, taken to the police station, then for a medical examination, magistrate sending him to a 14-day judicial custody, and then finally relief coming in from the Telangana High Court, which granted him an interim bail and protection up to 4 weeks, following which it is up to the legal team of actor Allu Arjun to seek the next set of remedial measures, which in this case would be quashing that very FIR where he is accused number A11, accused and being blamed for the death of a woman who died in the stampede that was triggered while his arrival at the Sandhya Theatre. But besides that point, let me just bring you up to speed what exactly happened. It was a humble welcome for actor Allu Arjun. His grandmother was here, his wife here, who had performed Nazar Utarne Wala Aarti in a bid to ward off the evil, and from there he did speak to the media saying that he's a law-abiding citizen. He's here to comply with the authorities. He thanked his fans for showering their love and blessings on him, and more importantly, when asked whether he felt targeted by the Telangana government, by the police, in the manner in which the entire episode transpired, he had no reason or no political statements on that front, but except for a smile and just saying that me and my family has been through extremely excruciating period, and he's challenging times is what he said. But shifting the focus back here, there you can see Allu Arvind having a chat with Vijay Deverakonda, his brother, and Allu Arjun himself seated over there, having a conversation with all those who have come here to greet him. In fact, we are expecting a beeline of celebrities here at the residence of Mr. Allu Arjun. In fact, ever since he's come here, we've seen him being inundated with phone calls from well-wishers who have gathered here to extend their solidarity. And the film industry on the whole has made it very clear that they stand behind Allu Arjun. And that is not just a voice coming in from the Tollywood film industry, but also from actors in the likes of Varun Dhawan, and entire Bollywood also now rattling and standing behind actor Allu Arjun, rallying behind him with his entire family here. As he relaxes, it's going to be a relaxing day for him considering what transpired in the last 24 hours. But from here on, we're given to understand that the actor is very much ready to take on his next set of projects and assignments with respect to how Pushpa 2 has been opening and has in fact created a blockbuster set of openings, already crossing that 1,000 crore mark. So if you look at him and his films performing at the theatre, he's been extremely happy on that front. This kind of personal setback that he has had, the actor says yes, indeed, that was a challenging time for him and his family, but he's thanked his fans for being able to be for him throughout this entire saga, and he said that he continues to ensure that he's going to be performing for them with all his life and letter and in spirit. But here, switching the focus back here, because you normally see this kind of gathering either at a movie premiere where you have top stars of the Tollywood film industry, Indian film industry, coming and cheering each other on at movie premieres. But here the scenario is certainly different. But one big takeaway is the fact that how the entire film industry has come out in one voice supporting actor Allu Arjun as he's seated there very comfortably on his couch, greeting and being received by so many well-wishers, including from those who've come from the film industry. Right now, we're leaving you with these visuals of actor Allu Arjun and Vijay Deverakonda and the entire A-listers, the top shots of the Tollywood film industry who've come here.